Ariel, thank you. Maryland's largest school district held a news conference saying that they're still working to fill hundreds of staff. Tonight, Cheyenne Corin, who covers Montgomery County, spoke with the teachers union and parents about the staff shortages as the first day of school inches closer.
MCPS Superintendent Dr. Monifa McKnight says she will not be satisfied until the district is fully staffed. But I wanted to speak to those that will be mostly impacted by these shortages. Staff and students. Teachers say that they are overworked and underpaid, while parents are worried about the quality of education that their children will receive.
Burnout is real. Exploitation of teachers is real.
MCPS's school year begins in less than 3 weeks, and they have just over 600 available openings. For teachers specifically, there are 157 full-time positions that need to be filled, as 89 teachers currently are waiting to be approved before they start. Noticeably absent from Monday's meeting was the teachers union. The reason? MCEA's president says they're working to negotiate some of the issues teachers are facing, such as untimely involuntary transfers and workload concerns.
It's not that there's really a shortage of good people to do the work. There's a shortage of respect, there's a shortage of compensation, there's a shortage of good working conditions.
MCPS's starting salary for teachers averages around $62,000. One parent I spoke with points out the first day of school is just around the corner and says MCPS should have rang the alarm sooner about this issue.
We also need time to, to plan, not just the staff. They need time to plan in a different way. We need a time to plan to, work out our schedules and to prep our kids.
MCEA says teachers' working conditions are students' learning conditions. Ayana Kohan says she fears this will impact her child's education.
When kids have had so much uncertainty over the last couple of years, that also affects, because my area is mental health, and that affects a child's mental health too. Like, can I depend on my teacher to be there?
But despite these challenges, the union says teachers will, as always, ensure students have their needs met.
But it's a question of how sustainable is this? And I think the message that we're hearing increasingly from teachers is that it's not sustainable.
I also reached out to MCPS, who says there's actually almost 900 new hires that begin orientation next week. They also say that they have been actively recruiting, but it's just been more difficult because more districts are looking for candidates and there's less people graduating from programs. Reporting in Montgomery County, Maryland, I'm Cheyenne Corin for DC News Now.